Let's see how to update new software version 2.5. First, RD must be green. Okay, then go to PDS.
Welcome to Public Distribution System.
Select setting. Here see update software. Click here, and now GPRS. And do you want to update new application? Yes. See, please wait, updating new application. This is for online update, software update system. After some time, device automatically go to shutdown position and also reopen, reboot the system. See what here pop-up messages come, updated with new application. Okay. Now device go to shutting down. Okay. And after some time it will be reopened. We can check new version for device. Okay, click PDS.
Side left.
See here, new software version is showing PDS 2.5.